Hello friends, today I shall tell you an amazing thing. I am sure that the video which today I am going to share with you is unavailable in YouTube. The links you have ever received from your friends is clearly seen, is clearly visible. But today I shall tell you about movies poster links which is absolutely invisible. The fact is that you can redirect your friend to a movie in YouTube only by his or her clicking on the poster. Of course, he or she must have addiction in watching movies. In this way, friends, you can surprise your friends by sharing such links through WhatsApp. Okay friends, so let's get started. So friends, in order to create movies poster link, you have to install two applications from the Google Play Store, and the two applications are PixArt and Exodo. You can see here these two applications. Okay, so before editing this, you have to open your YouTube application, and in the search section you have to write the name of the movies, the poster of which you want to create. Okay, so I am writing here Ong Bak, which is one of my best movies, Ong Bak 2. Now in this portion you have to make a screenshot of this page. Go back and again write another name of a movie, and I am writing here Forbidden Kingdom. Okay, Forbidden Kingdom. This is also one of my best movies, so I have to now make a screenshot of this page. After this, go back and open PixArt application. As this is a free application, so ads will frequently come to your screen. Just tap on the back option of your Android device or skip at the top right corner. When it opens, then then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will find an option that is color backgrounds, and in this section you can choose any one color to create movies poster link. I am going to select this green color. Okay, now move this section a little bit and you will find an option add photo, then click on add photo. Now select the screenshot images, then tap on add at the top right corner, then go to crop at the bottom of the screen, and now select the poster which you want to give the link. Okay, this is how you have to select or crop the poster of the movie. Now click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Next, make it larger according to your choice and set on any place which would look better. You can set like this. Okay, now go to the second image and again tap on crop, and here or in this section I will select the poster of Ong Bak 2. Again tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and like before set this poster also so that it would look better. Okay, now you see that the first poster is the Forbidden Kingdom and the second poster is Wong Back 2. And you can also write here by clicking on the text option at the bottom of the screen. You can write here created by, you can give your name here. Just I am going to write here B Nayak. Then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now set this writing so that it would look better. Okay, you can also give it color by tapping on the color option, and you can choose any color from here. I am selecting this one. When it has finished, then click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Then again at the arrow at the top right corner, back this, tap on the back option of your Android device, then go to gallery and finally tap on done. Okay, now your picture has been saved in gallery. You can see, just go to back and you can see the picture in this section. Recent. Yes, this is the image that you have created with the help of PicsArt. Now minimize this option and go to Exodo. Okay, you have to go now in this application. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then go to PDF from image. That is the second option. Okay, then go to gallery, then album, recent, and this is the image. Then select. Now friends, you have to minimize this page and you have to go to YouTube application. So minimize this option and go to YouTube, and in the search bar you have to write again the Forbidden Kingdom to take the link. You see the first movie is the Forbidden Kingdom, and at the right side of this picture or poster you can see 3 dots. Just click on it, then tap on share, then copy link. The link is copied. Okay, again minimize this page and go to Exodo and tap a little bit on the poster of the Forbidden Kingdom, then 3 dots, then click on link, then tap for some time on any part of this poster and drag. You will see a rectangular like shape and set it according to the poster. Okay, when you will leave your finger, then you will find such type of interface. Again tap on the blank portion where is written www.example.com. just tap on it for a little bit and you will find an option paste. Okay, then tap on paste. Your link has been pasted here, then okay. Now you have to tap on this poster for a little bit, and this section will help you to make the proper size of the poster, this rectangular shape. Okay, now click on any part of this page. Your link has been saved. If you now tap on this poster, then you will find an open option. If you click on open, you will be redirected to YouTube. Okay, just like now. Now go to back, do the same thing for the next poster. Minimize your page, go to YouTube, then in the search bar write Wong Back 2, and from here tap on the 3 dots, go to share and then copy link. This link has also been copied. Again minimize and go to Exodo and tap a little bit on any part of this poster. Then click on the three dots, then link, and then it will be good if you tap on the corner of this poster, and then if you drag it, okay, just like now. Then leave it and again tap on this blank portion and then paste, then okay. Again tap on this poster, you will see such kind of helping tool, and drag by holding this or that, and now tap on any part of this page. Again tap. Now tap on the share option, which is at the top of the screen. This option, document saved, and it will be better if you save it to your Google Drive, so that is why you have to click on save to drive. You can write here the name of those movies. I am writing here Hollywood, okay, Hollywood, then save. Now shut down the page, and you will see here that one upload paused waiting for Wi-Fi network, okay, and up of it you will see drive. Now click on it and tap on the arrow mark. Now see friends, your movies poster link has been saved in Google Drive. You can also see it by going to Google Drive. Again click on it. This page will open, and from here you can also open or see those movies, okay. The page will redirect you to the YouTube channel, and this is Ong Bak movie. So friend, this is how you can easily create movies poster link, and you can surprise your friend by sending this PDF file through WhatsApp. If you want to send this movies poster link to your friends and want to make them surprise, for that purpose you have to go to your Exodo application, and then you will find the share option at the top of the screen. Click on it and then tap on WhatsApp, and go to search bar and write your name here. You will find your the WhatsApp number of your friend, and you can send through here, okay. Just like this, I can send it by clicking this arrow option, and when your friend open this through PDF file and go to the movie by clicking here, he or she will surely surprise, okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you gain any knowledge by watching this video, please like this video and also share it to your friends. Thank you. Finally, I shall tell you friends, if the channel Tech Fact Term really provides knowledgeable videos, then please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications, as well as to motivate me to upload more videos in future. Okay, thank you for watching this video.